Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed different types of plant parts like roots, stem. Now we are discussing another important topic, leaves. Leaves are the another important parts of plants. Most plants have we seen in our surroundings. They have different types of leaves. In leaf, generally, some parts are present. They are leaf base, petiole, lamina. In lamina, we can see the some lines. These lines are known as veins. Veins. Veins are mainly classified into three types. They are midrib veins and veinlets. Veins are mainly three types. They are midrib, veins and veins. On the surface of the lamina, some lines are present. These lines are known as veins. Veins are mainly three types. They are midrib, veins and veinlets. Okay, children? In plants, mainly two types of venations are present. They are, first one is reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. And second one is parallel venation. Parallel venation. Children, in plants mainly two types of venations are present on the surface of the leaf. They are, first one is reticulate venation and second one is parallel venation. Okay, children. See, children, this is the diagram of reticulate venation. In reticulate venation, midrib, veins and veinlets are present. Veinlets are present. Reticulate venation is generally present in dicot plants. Dicot plants. In dicot plants, reticulate venation and taproot system. In dicot plants, reticulate venation and taproot system is present. Taproot system is present. In reticulate venation, the venation looks like a web. Looks like a web. Okay, children. And next type of venation is parallel venation. This is parallel venation. In parallel venation, all veins appear parallel in position. In this parallel venation, midrib, veins and veinlets are not present. Generally, parallel venation is present in monocots. Monocots. In monocots, parallel venation and fibrous root system is present. Fibrous root system is present. In monocots, parallel venation and fibrous root system is present. Okay, children. Venation. Venation act as a skeleton of the leaf. Venation act as a skeleton. Venation act as a skeleton of the leaf and gives a shape and support of the leaf. Support of the leaf. Support of the leaf. What is meant by venation? The arrangement of veins in the lamina. The arrangement of veins in the lamina is called venation. Venation is how many types? Venation is generally classified into two types. They are reticulate venation and parallel venation. Parallel venation. Where reticulate venation is present? Reticulate venation is generally present in dicot plants. In dicot plants, reticulate venation and taproot system is present. And second type of venation is parallel venation. In parallel venation, all the veins are similar in size. They are arranged in parallel manner. So, parallel venation is generally present in monocots. In monocots, parallel venation and fibrous root system is present. What is the importance of venation? Venation acts as a skeleton of the leaf. Venation acts as a skeleton of the leaf, and venation gives a shape and support of the leaf. Venation gives a shape and support of the leaf. Okay, children. In next class, we will discuss one important activity, observation of stomata. Okay, children? Thank you.